Hey guys, it's Arya.
And Sandra.
And today we are going to be playing Piggy. But before we get started with playing, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. So, are you ready to start playing? Oh wait, there's one thing we forgot to mention. Our usernames. My username in Roblox is Lily BFFAF1 and Sanvi.
My username is Como BFFAF1.
So the reason that mine is Lily and hers is Como is because my middle name is Lily and her middle name is
Como.
Yep. You ready to play?
Ready.
Okay.
Book one, play.
Ooh, it's Carnival. Okay, there's a few minutes left remaining. That's okay.
Wait, we can't play even if it's in the middle of the game.
We can.
Then why is it not letting me play?
You have to press play and then press book one.
That's what I do.
Huh, that's weird. What happened? Can you only spectate?
Yeah, I can only spectate.
What? OMG, they don't even have the orange.
There's only one good thing about that. That I can help you.
Oh yeah.
That's the only good thing about that.
Yeah, only. Ugh.
The piggy's not following me.
Okay. How do we get this thing? There's a hammer here and we need the hammer. Sorry guys, please don't judge. We don't play Piggy very often.
Normally we play a donkey, but...
Yes, we're gonna be,
Is that a hammer or a wrench?
I got the hammer.
Yeah. Okay, now press that thing. Not press it, bang it. Or whatever you do.
I need to distract him.
No.
Ah!
You almost died!
Go, 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 go. Oh, I need to run. The hammer is already taken. Did he kill the guy with the white key? He killed the guy with the white key. Are you serious? Come on.
I wish.
Now where's the white key? I don't even know where the white key is now. Guys, did he kill the guy with the white key? No, he didn't. I will distract him. I hope he gets the idea that I'm going to distract him. No, come. Yes. Oh my god.
Go around the thing and then go back. Go.
Ah!
Oh, you were so close,
I was so close, guys. Okay, book one.
God, that was so close. If you didn't, it's so close.
It's fine. But guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to, be alert whenever we post a new video. Because we don't only just play Piggy and stuff. We do a lot of RPs, role plays, and we play a lot of Adopt Me. We also will be uploading videos of Among Us, so stay tuned.
Play Carnival because that's the only map that I'm familiar with.
Okay. Hopefully, yeah, it's Carnival.
Yep, it's Carnival, definitely Carnival. Good, because that's the only map that, again, I'm familiar with because that's the map that me and Arya got.
Let's do bot.
That's exactly what I did. I was just gonna tell you.
Bot.
Please pick bot because then it's.
Oh no, it's 2 to 3. Please, no one else pick player. Yay, it's bot. Yes.
That was such a weird. That was such a weird. Oh my gosh, never mind.
Oh. Okay, we gotta stick together though.
Yeah. Do you wanna read it?
Yeah, sure. I'm coming for you. Roar.
I have no idea what that means. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Okay, where are you? There you are.
I'm over here.
Let's go in this door.
In which door? That's where the green. This is where the green key goes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Why isn't this door opening?
You have to tap it. Duh. There. Why does that always do that? Why?
I thought I could just open it without doing anything.
Yeah, me too. Piggy has woken.
Oh my god!
He spawned right in the spot that we were in. Oh my god, he's following me. Oh my god, oh my god. He taunted me. He taunted me.
Did you die?
No! Oh my god, I'm so close to dying. Oh my god, he's like, ah! And I died.
You know where the yellow key is?
I died.
Oh no. Do you know where the yellow key goes?
Wait, let me spectate and see if I can find where the yellow key is. I'm spectating you. You want the yellow key, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if the yellow key is... Does this guy have the yellow key? Hold out the yellow key if you have it. Wait, I'm gonna type in chat. Who has the yellow key? Where's... Yeah. Who has the yellow key? Oh, Piggy, no. Oh, he didn't even get a chance to open it. Oh, that's sad. That guy died. And he has a wrench. Okay. Come on, Ab, hey, girl, hey. You got this, Ab, hey, girl, hey. Como! Sorry, that's just someone's... Wait, did she spawn again? Oh, no, she didn't. No, she didn't even die. I'm spectating you. Piggy's behind you. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Good.
Piggy's following someone else who's following me.
Yeah. I think I got that. Okay. What key are you trying to find, or what? Guys, I literally shook. What?
Me too.
I was like, huh? Oh my gosh. How did you manage to...
Somebody open the door.
All you need now is the hammer. Where's the hammer?
Where's Piggy?
Over there. Where you're going, in the direction that you're going in.
Never mind.
Yep. Try one of those rooms, like that place that you're going for. Yeah, try to see if the hammer's there. Yellow key!
Found the red key.
Wait, no! Go back, Sanvi! You had the yellow key!
Yeah, oh!
Open it! Seriously, Sanvi? The hammer! Get the no, the thing for the game. No, get it. Okay, now, go straight. Yeah.
I know where to put it.
But not for the door. You know where to put it, right? Not for the door.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I know where it goes. I'm just trying to find it.
No, Sanvi, go back. I know where it is. Go back. Go back, Sanvi. Go back. Stop.
Yeah, I know.
And then, no, turn around. No, go back.
No.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now turn left. Left, no. Yes, Sanvi, go left. Right there. No.
Found it.
Yep. Oh my gosh, do it quick. Run! The hammer's right there. Get the hammer. Get the hammer. It's right there, Sanvi.
I'm gonna go around and get it because Piggy's right there.
Oh, Sanvi. It's okay. There's 5 minutes left, but you just, Sanvi, you know, you could have just gone, you know what? Never mind. Just get the hammer. Please let us win. I was about to say, please let us crewmates win because I play Among Us so much. No, go. Open the door. No, go open the door. Piggy's over there. Run backwards. Run back. Go the other way around. Go around the whole map. Yeah, go that way. Go to the door this way. Run. Sanvi, run. Sanvi, run. You're gonna make it. She made it. She made it, y'all. She made it. Jump.
Yeah.
No, go through. Oh, the wrench. Shucks. I actually thought we could have made it. Someone has the wrench. Someone who died had the wrench. Remember, guys? Oh, crouch down. Oh. Guys, someone who died had the wrench? Who has the wrench?
Piggy's still following me.
I'm gonna say nobody's gonna respond, but I'm just gonna say who has the wrench. It's the last thing we need to open the door. Run like a balloon! Or, that doesn't make sense. Come on, Sanvi, go, 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 go! You know you don't need the lime key, right?
You don't?
No, they already opened the lime key.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, Sanvi, Sanvi, Sanvi. Try to find the wrench. Like, go digging around for the wrench. Hey, is it over there? Turn left. Is it, Oh, you need a wrench for there, too. There's Piggy. That noise. Oh my gosh. That... They opened it. The door's open. Go. Now go. Run. Just run.
It's not open.
Oh my gosh.
It wasn't open.
But the light is green. You just have to tap the door, maybe. Try that. Get the gun. The gun was right there, Sanvi, up there. You could have stunned him with some ammo. Go open the door. Try to open the door.
It's not working.
Tap it. Try again. Tap it. Just tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Sanvi, what else do you need to open it? Just try tapping it again and again.
This key.
Does it have like a thinking box around it? Sanvi, be careful. Don't touch that fox. It's a killer fox.
The door's not opening.
Wait, guys, did you see that? It just glitched. I saw the inside of that place. Piggy's coming. Oh my gosh, Sanvi, I don't know what to do.
There's only 2 minutes left.
Yeah, and we're running out of time. Like, literally running out of time. Get the gun and the ammo. Get the ammo. Yes. Now, only shoot him whenever you need it. Whenever the time is very, very right.
Yeah.
Maybe right now is a... Oh my gosh, guys, she's glitching. Yay! She did it! Left. What? Game over, yay! Okay, guys, that was all the time we had for today. So, yeah, we hope you guys had a great time. Make sure to...
like, subscribe, and comment. And turn on those notifications.
Yeah, that was a little weird. Anyways, we hope you guys had fun, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!